The Nintendo Switch 2 is finally here. And yes, fans are lining up at midnight like it's 1999. After months of leaks and rumors, Best Buy and GameStop have officially confirmed midnight launch events across the US. We haven't seen this level of hype since the PS5 drop. For Nintendo fans, this isn't just a console, it's a moment. According to Axios, select Best Buy stores will open at 12:01 a.m. starting next week. GameStop is rolling out a similar strategy. That means in-person sales are back, yes, in 2025. In a digital age, this old-school retail rush feels both nostalgic and chaotic. So why all the hype? The Switch 2 is bringing a serious upgrade. New NVIDIA chip. 4K support when docked. Wait, better battery life. This isn't a refresh, it's a full generational leap. Analysts say this could be one of the best-selling consoles of the decade, with huge titles like Zelda, Echoes of Time, Mario Kart X, and the long-rumored Metroid Prime 4, launching in the first year. The original Switch sold 139 million plus units worldwide. Nintendo wants to repeat that success. For GameStop, struggling with foot traffic, this launch could bring people back into stores. Social media is already buzzing with fans camping outside stores, cosplaying as their favorite characters, and planning meets around launch night. If you're in a major city, your local Best Buy or GameStop might be in on the action. But check first, not every store is participating. Whether you're a die-hard Nintendo fan or just love the vibe. The Switch 2 launch isn't just a drop, it's a cultural event. Midnight hype, real-world lines, and gaming magic. This is why we love it.